What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, this is part one for the review of episode 16. So, as you know, what happened is that Mseleku was doing a Thanksgiving where he was thanking these ancestors for keeping him healthy when he was in hospital and actually like saving him. But they went to this ceremony, but unfortunately, he only went with MaCele. And what is surprising is that Mayeni was actually near that area but chose not to attend. And it's really surprising. What this tells us is that Mseleku's family is breaking down bit by bit, because initially at first it was Mangwabe who was pulling out. Now it is Mayeni who is pulling out and is not even bothered to go and see his own husband. So now it is happening the other way around. It is now Mseleku who has to go and visit Mayeni to actually see his own wife. If Mseleku does not visit Mayeni, then it's over. It is what it is. So with the way things are, can we say they have separated? It seems like so to me, because if Mayeni is no longer going to Mseleku and it is Mseleku himself who has to go to MaCele, it's a separation. And as you also know, Mseleku does not have much time to continuously go to Mayeni, as he has so many issues to attend to. So Mseleku might end up seeing his wife like once a week. A month is pushing it, but let's say just 2 times a month. This is the challenge. Yeah, it can be once a month, then he skips another week. It's really something else. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.